Today we will be installing Metra's 82-8606, our Tesla subwoofer adapter. We start by removing the four 10mm fasteners holding the enclosure to the car. Unclip the factory connectors. Quick tip: pull these connections out of the well towards outside the trunk area. It makes getting the amp out of the car a bit easier. Using a Torx bit, remove the amp from the enclosure. Using a smaller Torx bit, remove the factory sub. Install the Metra subwoofer adapter using the factory hardware. Connect the harness to the replacement sub and secure the bracket with appropriate hardware. Reinstall the sub enclosure. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.